Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve likes of playlists not showing. To know how to fix or to solve your likes of playlist not showing, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you'll enter to the window of Spotify. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You can go to your airplane mode and you can turn on. Then you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.